On today's episode of MotoCheez.
That's the noise for sure. Yeah. I think it's coming from there. I definitely think it's that starter gear.
What you talking about, Louis?
I think that noise is that starter gear. There's a gear here and a gear here, and I bet you the bearing or something went. How could there be no oil in there? I thought when you took that off it was all wet.
Not much.
So I'll get a pan just in case. Is that messing with?
Possibility.
Oh yeah, shifter too. Oh, trying to break my shit. Jehovah's Witness? Oh, hi. It's V. Come bearing gifts?
Yeah, I did. What happened, Chris? Blew it up again, didn't you?
Oh. It's your starter ring. You're gonna have to pull that off. There's like anti-reversion dogs in there. Yeah, because that's supposed to let go when the starter goes, but when you hit the starter, there's like a clutch in there. Save that and order that and do it. Then your starter will work again. Can't be that much money.
The starter's still good.
Yeah.
Never did. I don't know.
Yep, that's the problem. One's here.
It probably got chewed up, probably. I put it on one there.
That's the noise for sure.
It's been this way for a while.
Mm-hmm. Put it together and then when it comes in, change it. You know, we'll take those out. You can put it on and run it because he's been kick-starting it anyway. And then order that piece. Definitely hitting right there. So one bolt was holding, it was oblong, it was going tick, 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 tick. 37 bucks? 37, I would just order it.
Yeah, I would too.
And I have to. Wow, that's deep. Might be able to get just enough on that.
Oh yeah, look at that, man.
I don't know if I got enough on the other one. Might have to go a little deeper. Yeah, you can grab it with a vice grip now. There it is.
Party people!
Oop, there it is.
One more. Might be too big though.
Get down and just round it off.
I know, but if we could push it through. Oh, here it goes. We'll just run a tap through it. Yeah, that's sanded nice and smooth. Now I gotta find the tap. Try it on a good one. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So this is a Sprag style clutch where the bearings roll into the center to grab it, but they'll let go. Only lets it go one way. Back together and order the parts.
He ain't ordering shit.
I think it's coming from there. Now let's see if it's quiet. Sounds good now.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.